Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how SEO can be transformed with AI. And I will share with you one of my favorite AI tools in search engine optimization, surferseo.com. We started used Surfer SEO many years before ChatGPT raised. It was maybe 2018 or even 2019. In this period, it was just the beginning of using AI for the SEO text generation, basic automation activities, and so on. Right now, Surfer is one of the most crucial and most effective solutions that you get and you can use for your activities with AI. Let's see how it can really game change everything in the world of search engine optimization. Surfer has few solutions and few toolkit, and I will go through the basic solution that you can use. The first one is the content audit. Content audit is based on the results you can get from your search console. So you can go to the create content audit. Here you can find the website you want to give access. And for example, I will try Skills Booster, check the geo you are interested in United States. And after that, let's focus on the pages that we are interested in and create content audit. For every one of you who had access and who had experience working with Google Search Console, you know that when you are enter in Google Search Console, you definitely unhappy with the results. You have a lot of different suggestions, a lot of different ideas, etc., and you are really overwhelmed and you want to close Search Console and do nothing here. So if we talk about the results of interacting with that content audit that you have in Surfer SEO, you definitely have the best recommendations based on the AI solution from Surfer SEO and prioritizing ideas and prioritizing concepts from the search console. So definitely that's it, and I won't waste your time waiting for the getting content score, but you see that we have position, we have traffic, impressions, CTRs, all this data from that we've got from the Google Search Console. You can click and check the article if it's needed, but definitely the basic idea that you can have a lot of valuable prioritized instructions what you need to change in your SEO using Surfer SEO toolkit. What's next? We are moving back to our activities, and here you have the topical map. Topical map also can work on the data that you got from the Search Console. For example, I also will take the Skills Booster website and check the basic information that we have here. So our virtual Padawan is working, and we will get our topical map just in few seconds. Definitely, if we talk about the prioritizing activities that we are doing in SEO, understanding the right topics that we will dive in, the right keyword, the right content pillars, etc. This tool will be helpful both for the beginners in SEO and for experienced search engine optimization specialists. So we will take some time to get the topical map for our website. And meanwhile, I'm going to my favorite part of Surfer SEO. It's content editor. We have this page with AI writing, and definitely it's a big helper in the world of their search engine optimization with the creating of the content. You see my digital marketing course project here that I will go there. And here you have the basic recommendation, how it works. You can get the results that you just put from some page and see how it's relevant for some request. For example, is our digital marketing strategist course relevant for the request digital marketing course for the United States? Here you have the content score. It's pretty honest content score where you see that we are lower than most of our competitors. The average competitor has 65 and the top of them has 81. And we have the basic recommendations. So how many words do we need to have in the text, how many headings, paragraphs, images, etc. And here the magic of AI works. Surfer helps us to analyze the most relevant lessons that we have. So we see the keywords, for example, digital marketing course is mentioned just 4 times, and we need from 5 to 16 mentionings. Digital marketing strategy is okay. It's mentioned one time and we need from 1 to 3. And we have other recommendations about keywords, about the headings, what do we need to change in headings, and NLP recommendations. So we can change something here by ourselves. For example, I want to add one more digital marketing course mentioning, and here you have ideas how to add this content. So you can just definitely go and take some part of this content, copy paste it, rewrite, etc. But the AI magic begins when we use auto optimize option. For example, we can ask AI to rewrite the stuff we have here, change titles, change descriptions, add additional materials, and definitely it can be a great game changer in this story. So we have the basic recommendations from AI, and it will give you possibility to work with this stuff on the regular basis. Also, you have a personal AI assistant, Ask Surfy. So you can ask this personal AI assistant about any changes, why it was done, or how it's better to manage this, implement this, how it can be changed something, etc. And the last but not the least, it's already WordPress integrated. So if you use WordPress, it can be definitely on the autopilot edited to your website. So all text that you will generate with Surfer SEO, they definitely will be edited there, and you can work with this stuff on your autopilot. We can see a lot of stuff here. I will want just to come back for the moment for the topical map. Yeah, we have here topical map, and with the topical map that we created for Skills Booster, you definitely will find a lot of opportunities how you can write better content, how you can manage better content, and how you can implement these stuff one by one. So that's it for the beginners. Definitely, Surfer SEO is one of the most viable and the most valuable tools in the world of AI. So you can start free trial to see how it works, and after that, share your best practices and ideas to get the better results in your SEO with AI.